I am Ignacio. This is the trail to the bridge to nowhere. I've been here many times and I actually made 2 videos of how to get here step by step. You can click on the link if you like to watch one of those. Today I'm going to show you the aftermath of the bridge fire, some of it. The bridge fire was last year on September and it destroyed over 56,000 acres. It caused so much destruction on this area. And it will take years for all of this to recover. So let this be a reminder to be careful with all the fire regulations. One little match can create so much destruction. So please always obey all fire regulations. Thank you. The fire, the ashes, and the rain made a big change on the landscape here. I'm gonna show you something to see if you can see something unusual or odd. On this image, you can pause the video and take a look and let me know what you think. You notice anything? On the way out, I will show you. It's actually really cool. I love this place so much because all the way to the bridge, you can get in the water whenever you feel like. There are plenty of rock pools all over the place. And please pack it in and pack it out. Anything you bring with you, take it with you. Leave nothing behind. Do not leave any trash. Let's keep this place beautiful and clean for everybody. Thank you. Actually, most of the search and rescues that happen here during the summer are due to dehydration. So I highly recommend that you start hiking very early, 7 or 8 in the morning, and bring at least 3 liters of water and a filtration system. That way you will not run out of water. Also, get in the water, swim, cool off. That way you avoid being dehydrated. Be safe and enjoy it. All these rock pools that I just showed you are the ones that are right next to the bridge. But if you're already here, I highly recommend that you hike for another 20 minutes to half an hour, and you will find all of this. I'll show you. If this is your first time watching my channel, please subscribe and activate the little bell. That way you will not miss any of my adventures. Thank you for your support. And then we found this beautiful rock pool. Look at this. It is so worth the effort. We chill here for a while, got something to eat, and then we head out. You see these plants on the both sides of the trail? They're a yucca tree or yucca plant. They do not grow underwater. So remember at the beginning of the video I told you if you see something odd, this is the same place. The river actually changed its course and now it created a 6 feet deep pool and all these yucca plants are underwater. I'll show you in a moment. Another landscape change here is these trees. These trees grow next to the creek, but not in the water. And it's kind of swampy. It's a really cool spot. Don't worry, it's not poisonous. It is a water snake. But at the same time, remind us of be always aware of your surroundings. Be careful all the time. On the way out, we got in the water so many times. I just love this place so much. The good news is that the Heaton Flat campground has survived the fire. This campsite is first come, first served, but you have to carry all your stuff from the parking lot for about half an hour. Click on the links that are going to appear on the screen to keep watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching and your support. Until next time.